This is a nice one-story building located in Queensland, Australia, and as you can see, there are some problems in its floor plan. Although, when it comes to its materials, it looks really nice and prestigious. These are two areas that are not working well, and it's clear at first glance from the geometry, so they need correction. I'm reversing the garage door hinge and erasing all these walls around the entry and the master bedroom. Then I'm gonna create a closet here for clothes and shoes. After that, I complete the wall of the master bedroom. Take a look at it. The master bedroom is bigger and much more useful than what it used to be. And I also create a main entry door like this to hide the interior of those who is standing on the doorstep. Next, I'm erasing the walls of the WC, bathroom, and the other two bedrooms' doors and their closets. Then I'm creating two bathrooms, one exclusive to the master bedroom and one shared by the other bedrooms. After that, I'm adding the doors and closets for the other bedrooms as well. By moving the patio door, the kitchen gets more cabinet space and feels much more spacious with its new U-shape layout. And for the final touch, I add a closet to the bedroom zone, which also creates more privacy by hiding the bathroom and bedroom doors from view. And finally, this is what I changed the house into. The entry is more straightforward, with built-in cabinets for shoes and clothes. The movement between spaces now makes much more sense, thanks to a clear circulation path. The master bedroom is bigger and includes a larger closet with a private bathroom. I also added an extra bathroom. The other bedrooms have better entrances and more closet space. Finally, the kitchen is more spacious and offers much more cabinet storage.